Alright, hello and welcome back to Uncle Rob's Kitchen. Today Annie's going to help us make carrot juice. She made it for me before, and like I said before, drinks are hard on gout. Can't drink juice, can't drink soda, can't drink alcohol. So coffee, tea, and homemade stuff is about it. So today we're going to make carrot juice, and you don't have to watch me cut up a bunch of carrots. I already cut it up ahead of time. You're going to need a couple things to make this. You need a blender. You're going to need bottles for putting it in. A funnel will make that a lot easier. You're going to need a strainer. I like to use one of these. And you're going to need a little bit of water for each thing. So the first thing we do is prepare the first load of the blender. About 2 parts carrots and 1 part oranges. I do not recommend filling it all the way to the top because then it's going to come up out of the top of your blender.
Just cut.
No, that's okay. So we'll throw in oranges, about 2 carrots for every orange. Then fill it with water about halfway.
Okay. The same.
Then we're going to cap it off and blend it for about a minute. Alright, let's see how that looks. So you want it to definitely be mostly liquid in there, but there's going to be a lot of solids, so we have to strain it first. So get whatever you want to hold it in the strainer. I'm going to mix it around so that as much of the fluid gets out before we attempt to then squeeze out the last few drops. While she's doing that, I'm going to fill up another load. Alright, so as you can see, there's still quite a bit of pulp left here, which isn't a bad thing. I'm going to end up using this to make carrot cake. Can you hold that there? And then to get the last of it out, I have a bowl that's around the same size as the strainer. And I just put it in and squeeze. You can see the juice coming out the bottom there. And just squeeze and press. You can also push the bottom up with your fingers if you don't mind getting your hands dirty to get the juice through. It's no problem. Then we're going to put the pulp in a backup pan because I'm going to be using it to make carrot cake later. Scrape it off the bottom over your bowl. Alright, it's good. Alright. So we're going to repeat this process a few times, adding water to our carrot and oranges over here. Alright, number 2. Your dress.
Okay.
And the squeeze. Okay. All right, then the next part includes a funnel. I use a funnel that has a little bit of a filter on it to catch any pieces we might have missed through the strainer. Pop it in there. Get a measuring cup or pretty much anything that has a pouring spout there. And fill it up. This can get a bit messy, especially after you do 5 or 6 blenders full of juice. It's alright. Get the last of it in there.
Okay.
There we go. So, 2 blenders full, about made 1 bottle. And then you can refrigerate this until it's chilled or serve it over ice immediately if you want. It might separate out a little bit when it's in your fridge, and if that's the case, you can just shake it back up before you serve it. It's no problem. And that's it. We're going to make about 3 more of these, but you've seen the way it's done, so you can make some on your own. All right. See you next time on Drunk Rob's Kitchen.